At saka nakita ako ng isda na frogfishes, tatlo, isang yellow at dalawang gray. Ito ang one of the best dive site, Pescador Island, one of the best dive site all over the world. Ang daming tao pumunta dito, makisilip lang sa ilalim. Beautiful wall, at ang daming nakatira sa wall. So many things in the wall, soft corals, hard corals. Saka ang weather ngayon buti, napaka maaraw, very beautiful sunny day. I hope you guys will watch my movies, underwater videos. Thank you and bye bye.